Folks, in today's video, we're roughing it through the waterfalls in chase of some of these late spring aggressive trout. With some tips and tricks along the way, I hope you guys enjoy. Comment what you'd like to see next and smash subscribe for heaps of content coming this summer. Yep.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Before the video's even started, Ramsey on the board. On the nymph, that one. Yes, getting out from the fish. Let's see him kick off. Well, welcome back to another video. Today we are in the cicada-filled land. It is so loud out here. We're basically fishing waterfalls today. This is finally the trout session we've been waiting for, I think. Ugh. Bugs are out. Beautiful weather. As you can hear, the cicadas are out. So when I hear that, the trout hear that, it's feeding time. So today we're gonna be flicking around flies. We might use a bit of spinning gear later on, but for now, I wanna see fish come up on the surface. Hopefully get some super sick clips and just fish this beautiful terrain. It is just gorgeous. Like, this is one of the most beautiful rivers, and it's only an hour or so from my house, so I'm super lucky for that. Me and Ramsey, where is he? Me and Ramsey, yo, we're gonna kick some ass today, rip a few lips. Stick with it, stay tuned. Let's get the fucking dogs. All right, here is a perfect spot. We've got some slower moving water. There we go, as I said. Nice. I'm gonna throw this fly, and I'm just gonna work every bit of water, hopefully get the best, most natural drift. I don't want it dragging too much. There's only so much you can kind of do in water like this, but as long as you get a semi-natural presentation, those fish will find it and they'll eat it. They're not too fussy in a river like this. They need to kind of take what they can get. Yep. Dude, he came up and he just like slurped it. That's not a bad fish. For here. Oh. Yeah, it's a good fish. Wow. Oh, the colors. Not ready. Got so much go. There'd be so many in here. That's a lovely fish. Oh, wow. Wow. This here is a beautiful example of why we came out here. They're not the biggest in this water, but you know, they are ferocious, and those colors are just absolutely undeniable. Just the red spots at this time of year, that is just stunning. This is a nice little male. Put up a good fight and he hit it on the dry, so we'll get him home. Honestly, this is probably our eating size, but we won't keep him yet. We'll see if we can find another one, but what an awesome fish in a beautiful spot. So we've just been flicking our little flies, and he actually came right on the edge. They're almost sitting at the base of these rocks. So say they'll be sitting about here, and if the water's flowing over, they're then just ducking up, smashing those flies. So it's worth just keeping it in the water for as long as we can, because you never know when those fish are just going to duck out at the last second and eat. So yeah, we'll keep trekking up these waterfalls, get a load of that. Keep trekking up and hopefully find these big pools and keep smashing them. So good start to the day. I'm feeling good. Let's crank them. That was the perfect shot, man. There might be a few in here. We'll just keep filming.
This is the whole dreams are made of. What a spot. Watch this. Oh, yep.
Like they're on tap, bro.
Yeah, on tap. Oh wow, the colors on this one are so crazy. A little pup. Wow. Dude, that is sick. What a gorgeous fish. He went to eat it about 3 times as well. Little pup. Oh, this lighting is a bit terrible. Wow. Those colors are sick, man. Get you home. Thank you for playing. Gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, dude. Thank you, little buddy. He's good. Oh yeah. That one sunk and I saw him come up and swipe at it. Let's go, buddy. That's not a bad fight. That's probably the second biggest for the day. Or the biggest even. Yeah, not bad. Oh yeah, that's the biggest for the day. Definitely. Oh dude, that's a good fish. That is a good fish. Nice, healthy fish. Look at the loins on him. Alright. Get him back. Get him in the water. That's a good fish. Considering the average size of what's in here, that's in the upper end. Get him back to where we got him. Thank you so much, buddy. Get you home. Oh, it's so strong in here. Damn. These fish are just constantly fighting current all day. Like, he was in that deeper, slower water, but still, like, this is not, you know, easy going terrain. So when you hook these fish, they have so much go in them. They just bang, 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 head shakes. They're running, and they're fucking hell of a lot of fun. Let's get some more.
So yet again, I've seemed to forget to record an outro, but hope you guys enjoyed. I had a really good time getting out there, hitting the trout again. If you guys enjoyed, smash subscribe, smash like. I appreciate everyone for tuning in. As you can see, a lot of effort goes into these videos, and I just appreciate everyone taking time out of their day to watch it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.